SB19 finally arrives in Vancouver for Simula at Wakas World Tour concert. Yes, our boys have finally arrived in Vancouver for their Simula at Wakas concert this July 26. And kudos to our Canada 18 na napakasipag sumalubong sa ating mahalima.
Uy, sorry. Let's go.